Today the weather is miserable, like showering, stop, rain, stop, shower. Anyway, I'm going to do the cleanup of the other day at Murray's Corner. I got very little material here. I don't know why I got such... Oh, that's why I was running my sluice real hard and I was hardly catching anything. Anyway, what I've done here now, I got double-decker pumps here, 2 pumps. What I was trying to do the last couple of days is to simulate the creek flow, and a 1100 pump on its own is not enough. Even 2 1100 pumps is not really enough. I just show, where am I pointing? I've been pointing in the wrong place. I'll just show how this has been going. I'm having an issue with water splashing everywhere and this and that, and so I put it away and I said, bugger it, I'll do a cleanup. But I just show this, this pump plays up, so I need to woof it. If you hear that noise, that's the pump playing up. So that's with one pump, the noisy one, and then join in the other one. That's flying too fast, man. But anyway, maybe that's fine. I just got to stop this thing from splashing water everywhere. So anyway, that's that. Get off this noisy. Which one's the noisy? This one. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is running one pump flat out, and I got about 4.5 degrees of angle on my sluice, and I was feeding it here, but bugger it, I'll feed it down there on the because what happens, the gold gets caught in here. I don't want it to do that. Alright, let's see what we got in this, and we'll see how. Let's have a look what's in the mat first. Pretty much nothing. Okay, that's good. There should be nothing. I didn't run enough material. Okay, 1100 pump and 4.5 degrees, and we'll I just push this in slowly up here somewhere. There we go. A little bit here, a little bit there. And then I got a bucket down there catching the material, the tailings, and I'll see what escaped. If anything, I expect to be nothing. Well, then again, I don't know. Flat out 4.5 degrees sounds a bit excessive, but I'll see what happens. I put my fingers here. That should be enough. Turn the water off. I'll take this out and I'll show whereabouts on this mat. That's a similar mat to what I was using at the creek, but it's not the same. I will show the difference. Put this aside. This can go up. I need to slowly lift this so the water goes out. because the riffles keep the water in. Okay, that's most of it. Shh. That's. I don't know, is it windy or not? Shouldn't be. Okay, get a pointer. Looking down here, black sands, black sands, black sands, full of black sands. Around here, empty of black sands, and up the top here, empty of black sands. The last piece of gold that I can see is right here. Who can see that? Piece of gold, piece of gold, piece of gold, piece. Lots of pieces. Some didn't even climb up. The mat is the usual Bunnings V-rib. Remove every second or third rib or whatever. I don't know. Like, remove a rib, leave one. Remove a rib, leave one. Remove a rib, leave one. And I'll leave two at that time. Remove one, leave two. Remove one. So pretty much all the way down, it's remove one rib, leave two. Remove one rib. I can't even say that. Rib. Leave two. Remove one, leave two. Remove one, leave two. So I'm removing every third rib. 1, 2, remove. 1, 2, 3, remove. 1, 2, 3, remove. So it gives me some bigger gaps and some smaller gaps. The smaller gaps was, I expected the tiny shit to get caught in there, but it looks to me like the better method is like the mat I was running on my on the creek. Remove one, leave one. Remove one, leave one. Remove one, leave one. Anyway, that's that. And so I can, what I'll show, watch this dirt poof off. I don't know how long is this, 240 of mat. Oh, be careful. Also, on the approach, I've not super glue, siliconed the mat to the sluice this time, and I've, like, instead of the mat like this slick plate and then mat a wall, I've grinded or filed like an angle so that slick plate, and then slowly up so the gold can get up and get caught into the mesh, the riffles. Anyway, look, I'm going to do this. Look, I'm going to wash. If I divide this mat into four pieces, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm going to wash out, or 5 pieces. This is what caught. I know some people are bored of this, and some people, even though I show, they still don't believe it, but I'm going to show it again anyway. So this is that much of mat, whatever that is, 2 inches I'd say, and this is what got caught in it. This is the very last 4 inches of mat. My favourite would be there be no gold in there. I feel pain every time I see a piece. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. Oh well, there's one. No, none. Keep going, keep going. Only trouble is I'm panning quick so I don't see any. Anyway, no, there's none, which is good. Okay, now I'll get the next 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, that was 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I should now have 10 empties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pretty much have. Okay. So in the second bundle, second lot of 5, which is 2/5 of my mat. See if it caught any gold. Too much water. Oh, careful. Still too much water. I can see one. And I think I can see 2. I gotta watch out for this floating nonsense starting up. That was the worst piece of backwashing I've ever done in my life. What the heck am I doing? I start again. That's stupid what I'm doing. That looks like a piece of gold. Why is it going so early? It's supposed to be heavy. It's supposed to be the last one. Why does the gold float? Why the other stuff doesn't float? The quartz and shit. I get this out. I think I'm tired of this experiment already. I just had a piece there. Now it's floating. I'm getting floating. This is going to ruin everything. I'm not doing it anymore. Stop it. I can't see the floating piece now. So look, there it is there. If it's going to float, it just ruins everything. So anyway, one. Or is that a fool's gold or something? Looks like normal gold. Let's say one tiny piece, like fly shit kind of thing. Okay, so one got away. And well, I'm not going to do the 5th one. I'm going to do 4 this time because the 5th one's got gold in it. But okay, here we go. So this is the last little bit more than the bottom half of the mat. So I've got less than half a mat left. Nothing. One microscopically, and it's probably not even a piece of gold. No, it's not. Pretty much nothing. Anyway, so that's that. So my word is that one microscopic piece escaped. It didn't escape. It got past halfway. Now this is less than halfway. I just chucked a whole lot in there. Tip this. This wasn't supposed to be about a test. It was more about a clean-up. But I will demonstrate what's going on here anyway. The better test is the tailings. I want to see what's in that. Oh look, the sun got out. Not look, but if you can see sun on this here, that's telling me, yeah, get ready. a downpour's coming any second now. They call it the calm between two storms. Nah, the calm, yeah, the calm before a storm, something like that. Okay, I pan this a little bit, and then I'll go off the air and do a bit of cleaning up, this and that, so I don't waste too much people's viewing time on stupid. I thought somewhere between 0.2 and 0.3, the actual guess would be 0.25. The actual hope is 0.35, or as high as 0.4. But that's stupid. 0.3 would be a... The reason I think it might be more than it looks like is because there was some thickness to some of these pieces. Where am I pointing? I don't know. Maybe you can see that. I'm just doing this hardly even a teaspoon at a time. I just want to get crap out the way so I can... Otherwise things start floating and shit. Is that a gem? See, piece of... Sometimes... See, it was a piece of gold with crap on it. And if you're not careful, if one side's normally like nice and shiny gold, and the other side's like got crap, brown, like shit, and you need to... the brown part makes it lighter than actual gold for that size, and you lose it. Okay, I do one more backwash for black sand. And one bit of gold. See, this is the part that's boring for people to watch because it takes all day. I'm sticking my fingers in there, farting about. Anyway, that's that. Now I put this on that side. Maybe get rid of a bit of this black sand shit out of there. A little bit more. Push the black sand out. I do one more. Good enough. So, and this is it. Oh, I need to do backwash. The black sand away from there. And that's that. This is in the sun. I'm just thinking, is that 0.3? 0.3? Yeah, maybe. This is from close in the sun. And this is in the shade. Real close. I caught a cold. I don't believe this COVID shit got me, all flu. It's just a cold. Not just a cold, when it's a cold. Runny nose and blocked nose and runny nose. I turn this off, that's been too long. I'll be back later in the workshop with nice dry gold. Over. I dried out my gold. What's it called? I tried the aluminium foil and heated up with a flame, and I got scared I was going to melt the aluminium foil and then all the gold comes flying through, and I lost a lot. So I give that the arse. I'm never doing it again. Here's how does my cleanup look. 0.03. Yeah, possible. 0.02 for sure. If it's not 0.02, I quit. Okay, let's put this in here. Yeah, you can't hear that, but it's pissing down outside. Whoa. I don't know if you can hear that hitting the paper. Mate, that was yum. Okay, wait a minute. Leave that. Leave it. There was one microscopic fly shit there. If I try to collect it, I'll end up knocking all this flying, and I'll lose the lot again. There's many ways of losing the lot. Push this on. I forgot to fire this up before. Anyway, a couple of seconds or so. It will. Okay, between 0.2 and 0.3. If it's over 0.3, yeah, it's possible. But less than 0.2, which is possible, I can't believe it. Quarter. 0.149. Uh-oh, 0.02 looking. Shivers. There must be some stuck in there, must be. 0.17. Nothing. Ah, I got ripped off, man. 0.17. Piss off. What are you talking about? .17. Well, that's disappointing. I should kill myself. That's silly. Oh, mate. That means I forgot how does gold look. Or I never knew. Maybe because it's cold today, it rips me off. Wow. Wow, that's disappointment. Maybe it melted and fell through the aluminium. Oh, that's disappointing. So that's not even 0.02, all that. And this is 0.05 from last week. Oh, wait a minute. 0.55 or something, 0.6. Yeah, alright. Shit. I'll turn this off. I'm not happy with that. I'm happy with it, but I'm not happy that I can't even guess. And I thought it was 0.03. It's not even half what I was thinking. I thought it might be even over 0.03. Okay, so what can I say? Except over and out.